Hello, this overview video is very important because there's a lot of moving pieces for this module, which is the week 5. And the week 5 module will go from July 15th to the 21st. You can look over all of this, but right now this is where I am. So just know that most things are going to be due Sunday, July 21st. Townsend Press, all of these quizzes. Discussion board, obviously Wednesday, July 27th is when the initial discussion board, the formal one, is due, and then the other 4 responses by Sunday. Your annotated bibliography, that'll be due Friday, July 19th, and then the argumentative research paper will be due July 21st, and you can work in a group on the argumentative research essay, and if you're going to work in a group for that, work in a group because the annotated bibliography, the research that you're doing, goes along with this. So what I want to tell you is, if it's going to make the most sense to you, would be to do the persuasion and argumentation quiz first, then the argumentative essay models and phrases. To me, this is the most important because it will help you finish your discussion board, and then it lays the groundwork for your research essay, which is also argumentative. You're using argumentation. So this discussion board, argumentation, use this. There's a video here. Please watch this first. I might even watch this before this, but these two should be done first. Then go into the discussion board because that's due Wednesday. And then there's a video here that'll take you what an annotated bibliography is. Your research paper requirements is a video here. We'll take you through all the steps for that. And then again, if you want to join a group, the video here for the research paper kind of has an overview video before it starts the actual requirements for the research paper. So you might hear double, but anyway, in that I state that you can have 4 people. I really hope you only have 3 if you're going to work in a group, because if you have 4, sometimes someone doesn't do any work. However, if you want to go with 4, because that's what I said in this video, go for it. And also, well, let me click on this. When you click on this video and other videos I'm reusing since I pay for closed captioning. Again, I tell you, this video was used last summer. The content's the same, however, use the dates in the current model. So watch this, but if it says this is due July 23rd, actually ours is due July 21st, because there's a difference in the dates. But go ahead and watch those. Everything else is the same. So again, the first thing I would do, quiz on persuasion and argumentation, the argumentative essay models and phrases, and then this will lead into the argumentation for your discussion board, and then I would watch the research requirements and then go to the annotated bibliography, because since the research paper, since the annotated bibliography is based on the research paper, what you're going to collect or what you're going to search for, then it would go in that way. Okay, everybody, good luck. If you have any questions, let me know. Please do not put off. Week 5 looks busy, but I'm hoping you started this back in week 3 or week 4. Okay, everyone, take care. Bye.